When we fight for the things we love, we quickly decide who our enemies are. But what if the answer to our fight lay with them?
I'm always thinking about my father. How can to eat my father and my mother, all my family have already not good thing about that.
But if you could do anything other than fishing sharks, would you?
What if we could change the world by changing their jobs? Everyone has a family to feed. So how do you end generations of shark fishing? You don't. You replace it. What if we improved life below by improving life above? What if we looked at the villains and saw heroes? Sometimes all it takes to change the world is to understand someone else's.